Hello and welcome to another video by www.electricalpereview.com. In this episode, we're going to be covering transformer, the short circuit test. This is a little more complicated example to make sure we really understand the concept. The problem reads, for a single phase step-down transformer with 6.72% impedance, find the transformer ratio A if the primary voltage is measured to be 147.84 volts when the secondary terminals are shorted and I secondary equals 4.17 amps. The transformer is rated for 500 volt amps. So here's our single phase transformer circuit. It's a single phase rated for 500 volt amps. We don't know what the primary voltage is rated for, but we know the step down voltage is rated for 120. We know the percent impedance is 6.72. So we know this is a short circuit test. We're going to short our secondary windings together. IS is 4.17 amps, and we have an equivalent primary voltage at this time to be measured at 147.84 volts. Find transformer ratio A. So the first thing to do is we need to make sure that the secondary current given is the transformer secondary full load amps. So IS, full load amps, should equal our power rating of 500 volt amps divided by our secondary voltage of 120 volts. This needs to equal 4.17 for this to be our short circuit primary current. So we do the math and we come up with 4.1666 repeating amps, or 4.17 amps rounded. Since this matches the secondary current given, we know that we can continue, since this is our secondary full load amps. Now, percent impedance is going to equal 100 times our primary voltage at our short circuit value, 147.84 volts, divided by our primary rated voltage, which we don't know. However, we know our percent impedance, so we can set this equal to 6.72% equals 100 times 147.84 volts divided by our rated primary voltage. To solve for this value right here, we're going to rewrite it to be our rated primary voltage equals 147.84 volts divided by 0.0672. This equals 2200 volts, or 2.2 kV. That's going to be our primary rated voltage. So this is actually a 2.2 kV step-down transformer to 120 volts. Now, since we're being asked for transformer ratio A, we know that A equals our rated primary voltage divided by our rated secondary voltage, which is going to give us a transformer ratio of 2.2 kV divided by 120 volts, or A equals 18.33. That's our answer to this question. Note there is no units because this is a ratio. It is simply 18.33. Okay, that's it for this video. For more examples and to visit our premium review course, come see us at www.electricalpereview.com.